Mrs. William Schmear, I'm afraid not. I'm afraid I have some bad news. The accident damaged him pretty badly, but we can repair most of the damage with extensive surgeries, though he'll still be severely handicapped. You'll have to take care of him because he won't be able to do anything on his own. You'll have to do everything for him.
Everything?
Everything.
Oh my God!
Hold it right there. Mrs. William Schmear, I have another alternative that you might be interested in, although it is a bit unorthodox and highly experimental.
Is it safe?
Only questionably, but if successful, it will allow him to move his arm again.
We'll do it.
Very well then, let's prep him for surgery.
What exactly are you going to do, Doctor?
We're going to rebuild him. We have the technology, but he'll be a horse.